We begin with a new turn in the Jacob Blake shooting case. Blake has filed a civil rights lawsuit against Kenosha police officer RUSTEN SHESKEY. SHESKEY shot Blake in the back and the side last summer. That set off days of protests and violence. Stephanie Haines lays out the lawsuit and has a response from the city.
Jacob Blake is not giving up on his fight for justice. He and his attorneys hope this time Officer RUSTEN SHESKEY is held accountable. In a federal civil rights lawsuit filed Thursday, attorneys write Blake suffered grave physical and psychological injuries after he was shot 7 times at close range back in August.
Someone being shot not once, not twice, but 7 times without even taking a moment to see how the first shot affected Jacob. If you really felt that there was an imminent threat, we believe that it's without question excessive force that was used, and we think that a reasonable jury would come to that same conclusion.
Prosecutors declined to bring charges against Officer RUSTEN SHESKEY back in January. An independent use of force expert found his actions justified. At last check, SHESKEY is still on administrative leave pending an internal use of force review. Blake's attorney, B. Ivory Lamar, says his client is paralyzed but out of the rehabilitation facility and is recovering in a home with round-the-clock care.
He's fighting a day at a time, just trying to get through this. And I've been in rooms with them and just kind of seen them grunt and just seeing them moan.
State investigators say Blake admitted he had a knife. According to the lawsuit, quote, the action of plaintiff Blake throwing the folding knife onto the floorboard of the SUV was fully visible to defendant Sheskey. The lawsuit walks us through the shooting frame by frame, and it shows pictures of holes from bullets attorneys believe could have ricocheted and hit Blake's 2 children sitting in the back seats of the car. The lawsuit also alleges, quote, some officers deactivated their audio microphones in the aftermath of the shooting and or cautioned each other to remain silent. In a statement, a spokesperson said the city will vigorously defend this case. Stephanie Haines, TMJ4 News.